Yeah, we got him on the run. Nice. You okay? Come on, we gotta keep after him. Alright, it's my turn. Stay down, Jason. Kimberly, finish him. As you command, Lord Drakkon. Oh, Jason, I hate to do this to you. Who am I kidding? I love it. Yeah! Come on, buddy. We gotta go. Oh. Billy Cranston, you're gonna pay for that. Yeah! Whoa! Guys, hit the Z's on their chests. It's easier to take them out. Oh, yeah! SPD Blue, you're next. How dare you travel through time to stop me? You're exploiting a weakness in the Morphin Grid. How dare you disrupt everyone's timeline? Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Billy, I will destroy you. Kim, I don't know how you can do this. I don't know how you can be such a fool. Billy, are you alright? Yeah, I think so. Come on, Billy, we gotta get up. Trainee. I'm disappointed in you. Oh. Not so tough now, SPD. Sid, what are you doing here? Guys, we gotta go. If he destroys you in this timeline, there's no hope of saving it. Alright. Sorry, guys. We gotta go. I've got faith in you guys. Now your help is gone, and it's time for me to call in some reinforcements. Ooh. Guys, we gotta stop him! Not this again! Pudgy Pig, destroy the Rangers, but leave the yellow one for me. Will Pudgy Pig destroy the Power Rangers? Tune in next week to super exciting outrageous toy review for the next part of Shattered Grid. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.